one-day Working Safely events course is our flagship course. It's our course that we have written together. We've delivered it hundreds of times. We've trained up hundreds of event professionals. And this is a one-day course. It can be delivered online or in person. It takes about 6 hours. There is an assessment at the end, which if you pass the assessment, you get a certificate. You get the IOSH Working Safely in Events certificate.
This course is different from generic event safety training because it's accredited by IOSH, and the content of the course has event-specific examples in it, which we've written and drawing on our vast industry experience because we understand the needs of the industry.
In the course, we cover health and safety legislation, we cover risk assessments, understanding hazards, identifying hazards on event sites, we discuss fire, crowds, alcohol, we talk about noise, we talk about key hazards and risks that you find on event sites. We also talk about how to report incidents as well as accidents. We talk about PPE, using PPE as a last resort. We talk about the HSE, we talk about Purple Guide. All of this is compact into a one-day course.
What we do is add in events, examples, to give context to the material so that people can take that back to their own event workplaces. I myself learn well when I can hear an example about how something is applied. So I think that's always important. I found that in all the teaching I've done over the last 15 years, to give people examples, to give them that context, that real world application, to help them really understand what we're trying to say to them.
The reason that people should consider booking onto this course is because it gives you real world, live practical knowledge that you can apply straight away, and I think that's the key thing that's most important, and it's one day out of your calendar that would last a lifetime in terms of experience and practical application.
We really love working with event safety training. What we particularly value is that a lot of training when you're on site at an event is generic training. So we find lots of training is just about health and safety in general. What we really appreciate with event safety training is that they make it applicable to the event world.
I always say this, I'm really proud of our one-day course. We fit a lot into that 6 hours, and people come away going, that was a really useful course, because we've done so much in one day, and we cover so much ground. There's so much new information. They come away with new skills, come away with new experiences, and it's all in a compact one-day course with an exam at the end where you get your certificate.
We wrote this course because we felt there was a need for people new to event safety within the events industry, and that this is the first stepping stone on a safety journey to ensure that they make sure their events are compliant and safe for their attendees.